how to use the AXS or Access app to enter an event. Now, in order to get into the event, first thing what you have to do is you need to purchase a ticket using the AXS app. And when you've done that, you have to go ahead and log in into your account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you need to go ahead and tap the ticket button located right at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and show the ticket in the app at the entrance and get them scanned to enter. And after that, you could go ahead and scan it, and if the ticket seems to be valid enough, then you'll have the access to enter an event. So that's basically how you can use the Access app to enter an event. Or else, if this is not a convenient way, then you can also go ahead and take a screenshot of the ticket, and you could just go ahead and scan the barcode or maybe a QR code, and that's basically how you'll be able to enter an event. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.